Hey everybody, it's Kathy Boyle. I want to give you some tips that entrepreneurs make in terms of planning around their business. So I'm president of Chapin Hill Advisors. We help businesses of all sorts and stripes, primarily 5 to 50 million in revenue. We help them with their game plan long term. Are you going to sell the business or going to transfer it? Are you going to sell the operating business and keep the property? You're going to sell the property and keep the operating business? So entrepreneurs, as a general whole, love what they do, have lots of ideas and vision, long on vision, very often short on details, short on data, short on communication with the rest of the family members. They've been doing it this way for a long time. So today's topic is not having proper wills, trusts, power of attorney documents, etc. I'm not an attorney. We refer in the attorney and we refer in a number of trust and estate attorneys because you really want a specialist when you're doing your wills, especially if you own a business. So the classic mistake we may see is that they have very old wills, that you have a will that's 30 years old and your children are now 28 years old or 25, etc. They're adults. So no longer will the custodian and guardian relationship apply. They may have children of their own, they may be married and divorced, they may have equity ownership in your business. None of this is addressed because your will is 30 years old. Worse is not having any will at all. I have one particular company that's doing millions and millions in revenue, real estate in 4 states, absolutely no wills, 4 minor children on one brother, 2 minor children on the other brother. And if God forbid one of them died, there's buy-sell issue, that's a different issue, we'll talk in another day, but his wife would have to actually be in probate in 4 different states. There's absolutely no need for this and additional stress. Getting documents in place is really actually very easy. What we do is help you think through the practical matters of who would be the guardian, what's fair, what's equitable. Do you want to give life insurance to the daughters and the operating business to the sons? Do you want all 3 children in? Do you want only 1 child in? What works longer term, and thinking through the generations as well, because generations grow geometrically. So that's your tip for today. Make sure you have proper wills, trusts, power of attorney, healthcare proxies, up and down generations. So if your mom is living with you or your mom is nearby, mom and dad, make sure you have documents on file and know where they are for those folks, because they're more likely to have some sort of health issue, which can disrupt the whole family if you don't have documents titled. So that's your tip for today. Make sure you have wills and trusts and proper titling done.